In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is starting to feel cluttered, removing unread emails all at once can be a quick way to clean things up and make your mailbox easier to manage. Yahoo Mail gives you a simple option to filter and select unread messages so you do not have to delete them one by one. To get started, open Yahoo Mail and go to your inbox or the folder where you want to remove unread emails. Give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the message list and the controls at the top. Once you are in the message list, look near the top area where the email selection options appear. You should see a small downward pointing arrow next to the selection control. Click that arrow to open the selection menu. In that menu, choose the unread option. As soon as you do that, Yahoo Mail will automatically select all of the unread emails currently shown in that mailbox. This is helpful because it saves time and makes sure you are only targeting messages that have not been opened yet. Before moving on, it is a good idea to quickly glance through the selected emails just to make sure you are comfortable deleting them, since unread messages can sometimes include important updates, confirmations, or new messages you have not reviewed yet. Taking a brief second to confirm the selection can help prevent mistakes. When you are ready, go to the top of the message list and click the trash icon. The moment you click it, Yahoo Mail will move those selected unread emails to the trash. Keep in mind that deleting emails usually sends them to the trash first, rather than removing them permanently right away. That means if you change your mind shortly after, you may still be able to recover them from the trash folder, depending on your Yahoo Mail settings and how long the messages stay there. And that is all you need to do. Open Yahoo Mail, use the small arrow in the selection area, choose unread, and then click the trash icon to delete all selected unread emails. It is a fast and practical way to tidy up your inbox and reduce unnecessary clutter.